Happy Thanksgiving! Let's gobble up the real story before we dig in, shall we? Long before the turkey tradition, there was the 1621 harvest feast, shared with the Wampanoag. Not a national holiday, just a raw celebration of surviving another year. Original hosts, original roast, so let's feast responsibly. Pilgrims, the OGs of Thanksgiving, but without the Wampanoag, it would have been nothing but dry bread, desperation, and a whole lot of survival coaching. Grateful and grim, they gave thanks and tried to level up their cooking game. So before we pile our plates sky high, let's breathe in this moment, the gift of being here, alive, awake, and able to give thanks for the now. Gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. Generosity means serving up more than you can spare, and pride means saving room when you're already full. This Thanksgiving, let's pass the pie and skip the pride. And remember, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Especially true when it comes to sharing Thanksgiving without turning it into a family debate club. Joy is what happens when we recognize how good things are. So here's to good food and great company, because a day without laughter is a day wasted. So let's not waste today. Abundance isn't something we acquire, it's something we tune into. Happiness doesn't result from what we get, but from what we give. And that's why today we give thanks and pass the gravy. But let's remember that while we gather to enjoy our Thanksgiving feast, there are those who may not have the same abundance. So in the spirit of generosity and remembrance, let's leave one spare seat at our tables as a symbol of our thoughts for those less fortunate. This simple act serves as a reminder of our gratitude and the need to share it with others. May your life be as stuffed with laughter, love, and abundance as a Thanksgiving turkey. Let's season every moment with kindness, sprinkle our lives with compassion, and serve up generosity year-round. Cheers to enjoying the fullness of life, whether you're celebrating or just savoring the everyday. Season your celebration with diversity, generosity, and gratitude, as delightful as that first bite of sweet potato casserole, 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 sweet potato casserole, brown sugar, brown sugar. Sorry guys, that was an insider. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. May your day be seasoned with gratitude, spiced with clarity, and served with a side of radical self-ownership. May you break bread, not boundaries, share love, not energy leaks, and celebrate that kind of abundance that can't be bought, borrowed, or faked. Today isn't about turkey, it's about truth. It's about remembering who you are, where your power sits, and how brightly your soul still burns beneath all the noise. So here's my wish for you. May your heart stay open, your mind stay sovereign, and your magics stay on. Gratitude is the new rebellion. Oh, and may today remind you that gratitude isn't a holiday. It's a frequency hack straight into the heart of abundance. And while the world argues about what actually happened in 1621, spoiler, depending on the historian, you'll get a different plot twist. Because we focus on what's real. Humans gathering, sharing resources, surviving adversity, building something better, choosing unity over division. And that spirit, that's LifeArtists' energy, turning chaos into coherence and history into fuel. So here's my final wish for you today. May your heart expand, your clarity sharpen, your creativity ignite, and your soul remember that gratitude is a sovereign superpower. Not because the textbook said so, not because tradition demands it, but because you choose to live awake. May today nourish your purpose, ignite your inner fire, and anchor you deeper into your own magics. From Miri with love, always.